Welcome, my name is Brandon Wendell and I am a senior instructor at Online Trading Academy, and today I want to talk a little bit about the importance of proper education when trading or investing in the markets. Many people think that trading is sata, or gambling, speculating in the markets, but in reality, with a proper education, it is not. What we are looking for is the highest probability for the future direction of the market, and therefore take that direction in our trades. With the proper education, you're able to understand how the market is likely to move and how to best take advantage of that move. Now, I say proper education because it's interesting. Most people come to me and say, Brandon, couldn't I just go out and read a trading book and get all I need to know about the markets? Well, sure, you can read a trading book and get some information, but it's not going to be complete. If you read 5 different trading books, you'll probably see 5 different perspectives of the market, and we're 5 different pieces that are not actually put together as a comprehensive plan to attack the markets and protect your capital. One of the things that's really kind of bothers me when I see some of these trading books or some of these so-called gurus talking about the markets is that what they say is that you want to buy at a strong level of support. Granted, that's what I do. I want to buy when things are at a strong level of support and where they're likely to rise. But the problem is that they like to tell you the more times the support level is touched, the stronger it becomes, so you should buy those. Well, let's take a look at what proper education could do for you, because that's not what I believe. Here we have an area on my chart on Reliance where prices came down and we saw that buyers are stronger than sellers and the price rose quite rapidly. So as the price comes down to that area again, granted, we want to buy, and that's an area that I would look to buy because, as you can see on the chart again, prices did rise very dramatically. However, watch what happens the next time we touch that same area. Now, the books would say this is also a great buying opportunity. More touches, stronger demand, stronger support level, right? Well, as we move to the upside, what happens? Initially, we start moving up and we run into some selling pressure almost instantly. Why? Well, think about it. This is a high, there's a lower high, and now there's another lower high. In fact, every time we touch that demand level, that support level, we weaken it. It's kind of like looking at the ocean. When the ocean strikes the beach, does it make it stronger? Oh, of course not. It takes away some of the sand and actually erodes the beach. The same action is occurring here. The more times we touch that area, the weaker it becomes. There are less buyers because people have already bought into the market, and therefore they are not there to support prices in the future. Well, let's see what happens once again. Markets rise, they come back down to that area, even though they made a new high. As we go forward there, once again you think this might be the buying opportunity. But take a look at where we went. We've actually penetrated deeper into that demand zone than we have in the past. And of course, if we keep going, oops. So the books, sure, you might be able to learn from them, but you need the proper education with experienced traders, people who have been in the markets actually doing this for themselves and for professionals as well. That's what Online Trading Academy has to offer. That's why you need proper education, so you're not holding when that market goes to the downside and you lose money. Until next time, my name is Brandon Wendell, and I hope to see you again soon. Trade safe and trade well.